In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text highlights any color in Webflow. Whether you're creating a vibrant website or simply looking to add a splash of color to your text, being able to customize text highlights can add significant visual appeal. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Webflow's homepage. Webflow is a popular tool for building custom websites, known for its visual approach and versatility. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Simply click on the Log In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. If you're not seeing it immediately, try scrolling down slightly or resizing your window to make sure all of the navigation options are visible. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your projects organized in one place. This dashboard acts as your central hub for creating and managing your websites, so it's a great idea to get familiar with its layout and functionalities if you haven't already. After opening the dashboard, choose the project where you want to change the text highlight color. Simply click on the project from the list. This will open up the project in the designer view, where you can make changes to your website's layout and content. With your project open, locate the text you want to highlight. Click on the text in the design view. Selecting text might bring up a variety of options in your settings or toolbar, so keep an eye on any changes in your interface. Now, to change the highlight color, look for the background option, which you'll find typically on the right side of the interface. Click on this to reveal a set of customization options related to backgrounds and colors. You might need to scroll or expand sections depending on your personalized layout settings in Webflow. Then, click on the color option under the background settings. This will either open a color palette or a color selection window where you can choose or input the specific color you desire for your text highlights. The interface should provide a variety of options, from preset colors to custom ones, enabling you to precisely tailor the aesthetic to fit your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily customize the highlight color of any text within your Webflow projects, adding an extra layer of customization and creativity to your websites. So go ahead and experiment with different colors to see what best complements your design. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Webflow projects.